Welcome back, boys and girls. And today I have a baby Glock 44 chambered in 22 long rifle. And I have a big daddy Glock G40. But today we're gonna do a review on Glock 44. Okay, here it is. Let's open it up. Comes with two 10-round magazines, and it's got the cleaning rod and the brush with a lock, and has a manual underneath here. And also have a sticker. It says Plink Glock 44. Okay, my first impression on this G44 is way too light. It feels like a BB gun. And everything seems to be a polymer, like a plastic. Even the magazine is all plastic, except for the spring. Okay, let's see how much they weigh. Just the gun is 12.6 ounces, so it's not even a pound. Let's put the magazine on top. It still is 14.78 ounces. So this is really light pistol. Like I say, it feels like a BB gun. Overall length is 7.28 inches. And the barrel length is 4.02. So let's just say it's 4 inch. This is almost identical to Glock 19. And the rear side is adjustable. And here in the bottom, we have an accessory rail for the laser or flashlight. It's empty. Let's check the trigger. Okay, it does have a lot of pre-travel, just like all the Glocks, and the pull is actually heavier than I expected. It feels over 6 pounds. Okay, I could see that slide here is metal, so it won't wear off too quickly. Other than that, except for a few things, it feels like they're all polymer. I also heard that magazine has little problem loading, so let's see. It takes 10. Okay, I didn't have any problem. Now, as you know, the reason the Glock is so popular, even though it's an ugly gun, is because of its reliability. I just hope this 22 is also reliable. And the price on this pistol is about $400. That's not a chump change. I hope it will live up to its price. Seems like this was having a little problem with the lighter bullet. I have about 3 different kind of bullets, so I'm gonna try them all and see how they function and how accurate they are. Okay, this is what I have, and honestly, that's a junk. But I'm gonna try all of them and see how reliable that Glock is. The bench is 6 feet apart, so we don't have to wear the mask on the bench. Okay, this is gonna be first time me shooting the Glock 44 at 25 yards, right upper target, 10 rounds. First 10 shot was with this. It shot well. Now I'm gonna try 10 shots with this. Aim at the same target, 25 yards. Right upper target. Malfunction. Second malfunction. Goes up after that. Yep. Okay, third malfunction. fourth malfunction. No, that was the last one, but it didn't stay open afterwards. Now I'm going to try with high velocity. 10 shots at the same target at 25 yards. We're going to have a lot of holes down there. Oh, that was a bullseye. Wow, no malfunction. And you really can't see it from here, but that had the best accuracy. Okay, now we're gonna try the cheapest ammo out there. I know this is a junk. Okay, I'm not gonna aim for the target because I know this is junk and I don't wanna put too many holes on the target. But let's see how it functions. First malfunction. Wow, only one. Okay, I got an okay from the range officer to go for rapid firing, so let's try 10 shots. Okay, it functions fine. 25 yards. Now, most of this is done by the high velocity ammunition, so it's very decent. Okay, since I had the best result with high velocity ammunition, I'm gonna take 10 shots at 50 yards and right up to the target. Okay, with my aging eye, this is a little stretch, but we'll see. Okay, Glock44 actually did a lot better than I expected, and it actually shot pretty well at 50 yards. Okay, I just came back from the range shooting Glock44, and the accuracy, even with my aging eye, was very exceptional. Now, I had the best result with this SK ammunition. It's made in Germany. It's called High Velocity, and it's very functional and very accurate. And the second best was by Federal, and quite accurate as well. I could tell right now I have 20 holes in here, counting the one that's outside the black target. And that 20 holes actually came from both Federal and SK ammunition. And one hitting the bullseye, that's by SK. It was mostly the SK that actually hit closer to the bullseye. And this is at 25 yards. And this is at 50 yards. I got 7 in there with my aging eye. And it was all SK. Now, do I think this live up to its name and the price? I think it's a little short and a little too expensive. But if I had one, I wouldn't regret it.